Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and easy pattern. This pattern can be used in your ladies cardigan, jean sweater, ladies sweater, hat. See, this is the look of this pattern. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 6 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 4 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 4, this pattern is made of 3 stitch and this pattern is made of 1. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 and 3 extra stitch here and 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 27 stitches on my needle, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4. 3 times 4 12 plus 3 extra stitch 15 and 2 edge stitch 17. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and knit 1. That's the repeat, purl 3 and knit 1. Repeat that again. We have two more repeats. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. Again, purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and knit 1. We have done 3 repeats. This is 1, 2, 3, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 4 stitch, purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch. Your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 and purl 1. That's the repeat. Knit 1, knit 3, purl 1. Again, knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and purl 1. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and purl 1. And the last 4 stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch and in front, purl on the wrong side. Row 3 right side. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch, slip on the right side and start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, knit 1. That's the repeat, purl 3 and knit 1. Again, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and knit 1. And the last 4 stitch, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1. That's the repeat, knit 3 and purl 1. Again, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and purl 1. And the last 4 stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and in front, purl on the wrong side. Your edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Now row 5. On row 5 your edge stitch, slip on the right side and start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, and then we're gonna make a puff here on this stitch. So first draw a loop from this fourth hole, 1, 2, 3, 4. From the fourth hole draw a loop and bring this yarn in front and leave it here. Leave this yarn in front and we're gonna do 4 times. So we have done 1 time, draw a loop, yarn in front, 2, draw a loop, yarn in front, 3, draw a loop, yarn in front, 4 times, and then knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3 and draw a loop and yarn in front 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have here 9 stitch, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9 stitch. Repeat that again. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, draw a loop, yarn in front, 1, draw a loop, yarn in front, 2, draw a loop, yarn in front, 3, draw a loop, yarn in front, 4 times, and then knit 1. Again, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, draw a loop, yarn in front, 1, draw a loop, yarn in front, 2, draw a loop, yarn in front, 3, draw a loop, yarn in front, 4 times, and then knit 1. We have done 3 repeats here and a last 4 stitch. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch, knit on the right side. See, now row 6, last row, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, yarn in front and purl 9 together. Purl 9 together. Purl this 9 stitch. See, we have 9 stitch here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Purl 9 together. That's the repeat. Knit 3 and purl 9 together. Again, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 9 together. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 9 together. And last 4 stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl your edge stitch on the. That's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat these 6 rows, row 1 to row 6, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.